Hello everyone there, this is Jay Danberg coming to you from Panama City Beach, Florida, MarineMax. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of this beautiful 2019 NauticStar 211 Hybrid. This is a phenomenal all-around family day fishing boat or just cruising boat. You see the fishing chair up here. It is a deck boat. We'll go to the front and show you why, but phenomenal seating. They call it a hybrid because it will get into skinny water. It's like a bay boat, but also if you notice the width, it's a very beamy boat. It stays wide all the way to the front for your interior seating. Give you another look here. Got backrest there. So look at the front here. This is what makes it a hybrid. It's not your typical bay boat, but it will get into 15 inches of water. You've got freshwater shower, rod holders, nice leaning post with an optional backrest. This one has the nice Simrad, powered by the reliable Yamaha 150. And it also has 3 wide jump seats with storage underneath. Beautiful Carolina blue hull. Great boat to get you on the water, fishing or cruising. Come see us here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, proud dealer of the NauticStar boats.